The coming 2 weeks we have a very interesting project, and we received a Fiat 500 Abarth which is standing outside, and this is not a normal Fiat 500 Abarth which we're gonna cover later on, but we are gonna completely transform this car from the underbody until the paint. It has quite some rust issues we already discovered, so we're gonna put now this little Fiat on the lift and see how this Abarth looks like. We just finished the paint correction on this beautiful Fiat 500 Abarth. We were able to get quite some gloss out of it. And now it is time to put some ceramic sealant on it. We're going to use from Duresso the ceramic sealant. We obviously already degreased the paint with alcohol. And now it is time to protect the paint that it stays as it is. And by the way guys, the name of the paint is Bianco Iridato. And this is basically a pearl whitish paint, very cool looking, especially if it is now very shiny and glossy. And some other very interesting detail is that we have here a turbo gauge, very cool to have. And the owner also put these bucket seats in from Selbed with Abarth logos on it. Very cool. They sit also very comfortable, in my opinion. We just vacuum cleaned the seats. We also gonna clean this leather piece here right now, and we have a little bit leather damage over here, which we're gonna fix as well. And as you can see, the owner also took out the back seat for some extra lightness, I guess. So let's start, clean the seats and repair this little piece of the leather as well. Also on the seat you see this scorpion here, and all over the car we have these little details, which makes it very, very cool. So we just put a new badge on the back. We first determined the exact location where it should be and matched it out and put on tape that we have the correct location of the badge. And you're probably wondering, what is this Assise badge means? I don't know if that's pronounced correctly. Let me know in the comments. They also call it the SS, which is an upgrade of the normal Abarth, because this one has a performance kit on it. And the normal Abarth has, I believe, 135 brake horsepower, and this one has 160. Also, it has lower suspension, stiffer anti-roll bars, and so far as I know, also bigger brakes. So a very cool upgrade from the normal one. So you are probably wondering, where's the Fiat badge? We do not have any Fiat badges here. We do have an Abarth badge. And Abarth is basically the tuning and racing department of Fiat. The same as Mercedes-AMG has and BMW M Performance, Fiat has Abarth. And Abarth was started, I believe, way back in the beginning 1900s by Carlo Abarth. And they were very specializing on tuning and racing. And underneath the Abarth sign you see a very nice scorpion. And the scorpion is basically very small but very, very aggressive. And that's a perfect description for this car. We finished this little Abarth project. We completely transformed it and it's now looking absolutely amazing. The complete underbody is protected, the wheels looking like new, the paint is shiny as crazy, protected as well, the interior is looking spotless. So what do you want more? It was an absolute joy working on this car, and I hope you stick around for the next project coming up. So I hope to see you next week for the next transformation.